Now you just chilling. It's coming out.
I don't know. Awesome. You need anything else?
No, thank you.
No? Okay.
Cha-cha. You sleep. All done.
Yes. Oh gosh. My breast is so tender. We so dry.
See you dry.
We so dry.
You're tired, so.
Watching the movie.
Watch movie.
Hi. Hi, Duda. You're so adorable. Hi, honey.
We got a wager. We got a wager going on.
Gonna do it.
Of course you
She
die.
don't see the baby yet.
You know what I'm saying?
Let her see the
You
baby.
see your brother?
Look at her face.
Say hey.
What's the matter?
Look at her starting at the bar. Hey, get yourself together. Not yet. No, looking at no boys just yet.
Duda.
She started cheesing.
Hey, mama.
Say hey.
Oh, you see that baby?
She playing at the little boy. You see your baby? Wait a minute now.
See your brother?
It's a reason.
Watch yourself. My baby flirting.
Girls just start waving at all the kids.
That's so annoying.
They was like, I'm like, oh, they hate me, but that's
She
okay.
don't see the baby
You
yet.
heard me, Ashley? Them kids was like, I was like, that's okay, boo. That's okay. She friendly. Oh.
Your brother, huh? Your brother, say
She wasn't waiting to say hi, Duda.
Say hi.
Girl.
Say hi. Say hi there, bud.
See what she's
Say hi to the baby. Grab her. Oh, wait a minute. Come on.
Lord Jesus.
She ain't paying attention yet.
She ain't paying attention. She don't know what's going on.
She ain't got her attention yet.
Oh, she keep on saying hi to the boy.
She's still on the board.
I know, right? Somebody her size.
Me, I'm about to get your stick. I'm about to get the stick on you. You gonna put all this flirting going on.
Playmate for me, mom.
He only 10 months, baby.
She be in a cougar already.
Mama, baby.
I gotta get this right here. Wait, Ashley, don't do that cute yet.
She said don't do
Okay, cute. This some cute stuff. Look at her. Where your mom at?
She walking down.
She was sleeping.
Where your mom at? Come on, I pulled me and her some wine, baby. Baby, do that.
Hi,
Here's the baby.
You want to hold him to see what she do?
No, he doesn't see him.
Now it's about to be a bloodbath. It's about to be a bloodbath. She ain't gonna like this.
Do that.
No, hey.
She don't know what's going on.
Thank you.
She don't know that. It's gonna take her a minute to get used to it.
Yeah, she gotta get used to it.
Move this in. Chase, move.
Back.
We trying to get a video.
Just stand right there.
Oh, there's the first jealous one.
Lord
Come on, Chase. Come on, sit next to your mom.
Hi, baby.
Oh. Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at him.
Hey there, mom.
You look so cute. I know.
This glamour. This other glamour.
Mel's mom.
Let her touch the baby.
Okay, now she here. Let's eat.
Okay.
Goose. Oi. Okay, can I hold?
You too.
Look, Mom. Mom, look. Together. Wait,
Come on.
Boy, he is gorgeous. I know. So little. You got two. Came off. It's the stocking off.
He's gorgeous.
Chase,
What is sock though? Oh,
It's
here
just
you go.
like everybody having another baby. She mad. Now you wanna?
Oh, I thought y'all. I'm sorry.
Oh yeah. You ain't never met her brother, mama.
He's so soft. Scoop.
Mom,
Just
Mommy,
say
look.
it. Y'all, please, gorgeous. You got him this Ralph Lauren. You got him this Ralph Lauren. Me. It was so cute. Come stop. This a picture.
Yeah. Yeah.
Girl. Oh, look at him.
She looking at me.
Wait.
Hear ye, hear.
Oh.
Shit. We like the first, this way, thank the Lord for bringing us all together. Then we like to thank the Glam Malls, Bang Bad, for putting this together, putting it down. We like to thank the caterer, and we like to thank
My boy Andre.
that's right. And we like to thank Emil and Ashley for bringing us together on this joyous bundle of joy occasion.
Amen.
Right. Amen.
And we're going to drink to that because we've been waiting for a long time. Cheers.
Cheers.
Congratulations.
You did it. Sit down.
You did an amazing.
You get it.
Okay, now y'all come on.
You get it.
That's what I'm giving the kids.
I'm not talking.
There you go, girl. You better. No.
There's food all over.
No. Just a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Okay, bring the adult juice, baby.
Mom, Small put spicy in my food.
Go sit down and eat.
My small put spicy in my food.
Sit.
Mom, Small put spicy in my food.
Go eat.
Spicy. I'm gonna sit right here.
Good morning. So, I am at Amel's first doctor's appointment, which is, I had him 2 or 3 days ago. And, I'm at his first doctor's appointment or whatever. Dad is here, but he had to go to the car because for this COVID, they only allow one parent to come in at a time. So of course it's me. He was born 6 pounds, 10 ounces. He's now 6 pounds, 13 ounces. So I had to take his clothes off and everything, you know, for the doctor. But I just wanted to show you guys him. He's so cute. It's so crazy how babies change their look. And also we're having like his hands and feet be like really cold, but his body be hot. And we was having those problems in the hospital. Let me try this now. Got my mask on. But we was having those problems in the hospital, and they was putting him under the light. So yeah, we're still having those problems. I threw on anything, y'all. My appointment was so early. My appointment is 9 a.m. and having to get a baby. Luckily, Amelia is with her granny, because y'all, it would have been so difficult for me. I want to show y'all some of the stuff I got. I'm gonna try to get this vlog up as well today. I don't know if this part is going to be included in the vlog, but I'm gonna probably try to get the new vlog up today. I'm ready to start back working, and I don't want to go missing on y'all again or anything like that. So I want to take my hair down. I got so much stuff that I want to do, that I have to do. My skin is so dry, and y'all know how it is when you have a baby and your boobs. Oh my God, boobs on fire, feel like bricks. I hope y'all can hear me with this mask on, but boobs feel like bricks. Like, I'm not even exaggerating. So yeah, just here at his little appointment, and then gonna go home, get some more rest. He did good last night. He didn't, he woke up a couple times to eat, and he was just looking around. But I fed him, changed his diaper, all of that, turned him on some cartoons. Even though he can't see it, it's still like the musical cartoons. So turned him on that, and he just sat there. And we took turns, so we both can be able to sleep. So yeah, when I get home, I'll start working on this new vlog to get up so y'all can see. And maybe I'll include, I'm excited about it. I'm excited that y'all finally know, because it took everything in me not to just go ahead and let y'all go through the whole process with me. So I don't know. I got so much footage, y'all, from me being pregnant, me at doctor's appointments, me shopping, me doing all kinds of stuff while pregnant. So y'all let me know if y'all want it or not. But I'll see you guys probably when I get home or something.
All you do is hit that button.
Me and her just sitting here texting.
I know.
And the whole thing.
Janae had surprised Ashley and myself, of course, by coming in. I didn't even know she was coming.
You knew, Mom?
No, I didn't know.
Yes, you did.
I was crying, girl. I got to crying just like you. Because I'm thinking that was Carissa bringing the kids back.
What's up, man? And the whole thing is what? What?
Give me a
So cute.
Give me my nephew, that's so baby. What man? What man? What? Not like that. No crying, man. What's up, boy?
What they say at the doctor?
Girl, you that's right. You thought I forgot about you.
He fresh?
I see what's wrong with him.
No, not today.
He is so handsome. He is good, girl.
Look at him.
He just was texting me. I'm like, I'm gonna get, we're gonna take care of him. David, no, he.
Give him kiss. Give him kiss, Amelia J. She don't know what's going on. Actually, she don't know this little baby. She was trying to get him off of. He my baby.